Hello, this is a demonstration of the TR1 NK with built-in printer. For this demo, we have the parameters set up for feeding cattle with the option of printing time and date. The feeder is mounted with load cells that this TR1 NK is wired and calibrated to. The scenario is to load the feeder with a gross load of feed and then feed out to multiple locations. The individual feed amounts will be printed with the time and date. The following steps are to load the feeder, which I will do now, simulating it. Load the feeder and see the weight increase on the monitor. Then go to where the feed needs to be offloaded and press the print button. The weight that was loaded into the feeder will be printed, and the display will toggle automatically to the net mode and show a net weight of 0 or close to 0. Now you can offload a portion of what's in the feeder. Note the display is going negative as the feed is being dispensed. When you get to what you wanted to offload, stop and then press the print button. The print button will print the weight of the offloaded amount of feed along with the time and date. The scale will then do an automatic tear and display 0 again, be ready for the next offload. If you want to see how much is still left in the feeder, press the gross net button. That's how much is left. Go back to the net mode and dispense more material to the desired value. And then after you stop, press the print button. You see it prints each weighment along with the time and date. And then again, you can, if you want to see how much is left, you've got 2,700 pounds left. You can go back and offload more and repeat the process until you're empty or finished. And that's how the system works. Thank you.